Welcome to part 2 of the video. In white color only. So this is the regular price area. We will first add the regular price. Its regular price is it's around 999 and we are offering it for 699. Yes. No, it's 599. I don't remember the exact price. We can check it later. Just add the sale price after giving a discount. Okay. And it should match with this particular. In your title, you have to add the discount percentage accordingly. So this is the sale price that will be visible to the customers after giving them a discount. This is the actual price, regular price, and this is the sale price. So now we will come to the inventory section. This is SKU box. You will add SKU. SKU store keeping unit. It is basically for identification of the product. You can add accordingly. Stock status. If you are not having it in your stock, you can click out of stock. If you are just listing it and don't have it in your stock, you can list it in out of stock. And if you are presently having it in your stock, you can click on in stock. So right now we are having i9 AirPod in our stock, so we will go with in stock. Then let us go to the shipping area. We will add the weight of the product. Weight is by default in kg. So here you can add the weight of the product. Let us say, so it is 300 grams. So we will add 0. I don't remember the exact weight of the product, so let us leave it. And you can add the dimensions later. You can add the dimension according to your product, the length, the width, and the height of the product. Shipping class. We have made a shipping class that is local shipping, and we have a fixed amount of shipping per product, like a delivery charge. You can edit the local shipping area from the WooCommerce section. Okay, so let us now come to the linked product area. So here it is showing upsells and cross sells. Upsells are product which you recommend instead of the currently viewed product. For example, products that are more profitable or better quality or more expensive. And cross sells are basically those products which are quite related to the product which you are showing to the customer. It will show below the actual product. Now let us come to the attribute area. Attribute are the features or the properties of your product which you are listing or which you are showing to the customer. So just click on add custom product attribute, then add, then name. There are two columns. This is the name column and this is the value column. So product name can be one of the attributes. So here you will write i9s TWS AirPod. i9s TWS. Okay. So AirPods. Another attribute can be compatible with iOS and Android both. You can add color attribute. Customer must be looking for the color, different color. So they they must be looking for different colors, but right now it is present in white color, so we'll write color white. For example, if you are having variation of the particular product, you can add the variation by using this particular symbol, like white, red, it is available in red, then black, like this. But as we are not having any variation, so we will keep it white only. Okay, so what can be other attributes? Product name we have added, compatible with, we have added color. Yes, warranty. As it is not an original i90 original AirPod, so we are not providing any warranty, because we ourselves do not get any warranty or something from the manufacturer side. So we will write no warranty over here, no warranty. And okay, so these are the basic attributes we have added, and you can add attribute according to your product. Attributes will obviously vary according to the product. If you are adding a t-shirt or something, you will have to add attribute like color, then size. You can give variation like S, M, L, XL, and other attributes. Now let us just add the product image. To add an image of the product, you should have a particular you should get a photo shoot done for your products. But right now, as I'm just explaining you how to do it, we will take an image from the Google itself. But we will advise you not to take the images from Google. We will advise you to take your own images, to use your own images on your e-commerce store. I'm just giving a demo how to add an image of the product. So we will go to the images section, but do not use images from the internet. Use your own images. We also have our own images for this particular product, and it is already present on our store, so I do not want to add it again. I'm just showing a demo to you. So let us just take this particular image as a sample. Save image. I will delete this product later on. So let us just save it to, okay, drive E. Yes. Let me just check if we are having our own product images. Okay, here they are, AirPod images. We will choose this one, i9s1.